In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host Lovable website for free, 2025, step by step. If you're building with Lovable, the great news is that hosting for public projects is built in and free. In just a few minutes, you can take your project from the editor to a live URL that you can share with anyone. I'll walk you through the exact flow and sprinkle in helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open your project in the Lovable editor. Make sure you're looking at the correct app or site and that your latest changes are saved. It helps to do a quick preview in the editor to confirm that your pages, links, and assets are in place before you push anything live. This avoids publishing something that still has placeholder content or unfinished sections. Next, look to the top right corner of the editor and click the publish icon. This opens the publishing panel where you'll set the details for your live site. If you don't see the option, double check that you have the project open with the right permissions. Now configure your URL. By default, Lovable hosts your app on a subdomain like your url.lovable.app. Choose something short, memorable, and lowercase if possible. Keep it simple. Avoid special characters and extra punctuation. If the subdomain you want is taken, try a slight variation that still matches your brand or project name. This is the link you'll share publicly, so it's worth taking a moment to pick a clean, readable address. Before you publish, set the visibility. Find the default website access setting and switch it to anyone. This tells Lovable to make your site publicly accessible. If this is set to a restricted option, your live link won't be viewable by people outside your workspace. For most launches, choosing anyone is essential so your audience can access the site without needing sign-in. When you're ready, click Publish. Lovable will build and deploy your project, and your site should go live almost instantly at the subdomain you configured. Give it a moment, then copy the link and open it in a fresh browser tab or an incognito window to verify everything loads as expected. If you don't see your updates right away, refresh or clear your cache and check again. From here on, anytime you make changes in the editor, just repeat the publish action to push the latest version live. One final note, as of 2025, adding a custom domain through Lovable typically requires a paid plan. If you're staying on the free tier, your url.lovable.app address is the way to go. And that's it. Your Lovable site is live and ready to share.